we are started our lesson, that is sorting material into the group. So in that we have discussed about the properties of material, like that luster, then roughness, hardness and transparency of a material. Now we are going to discuss the next point, that is states of matter and material. How many states of the matters? Three states, that is solid, liquid and gases. That matter is in the solid, liquid and gaseous form. So as we know that in the previous standard we all have discussed about the characteristics of the solids, liquids and gases. What are its characteristics? Solids have definite shape and volume. That means they never compress at any cost. So they can't be changed at its own shape. They are having specific volume. So because of that, they are different from other two states. The particles of the solids are tightly arranged with each other. So because of that, they never change its shape. So like that, its properties are there. They are never compressed. They are having fixed shape and volume, and its particles are tightly arranged with each other. What are its examples? There are so many examples of the solids in our house, in our surrounding. Which things are never changing its shapes? That all are called as the solid things. For example, table. Table is not changing its shape. Bench, chalk, pen, table lamp, clock, all kitchen material, sofa set, writing paper. So that all are solid. Gold. This is also one type of solid thing. So like that, these all are the examples of the solid. So like that, there is another state of the matter is there, that is the liquid. What are its properties? It having that volume but not it having a shape. It can be easily compressed more than solid. Then next property is that it can take the shape of a things in which thing it is kept. That means it take a shape of its container where it holds. For example, that water. If we are filling that water into the bottle, it take a shape of water. It take a shape of water bottle. If we are that water filling in another pot, then it is taking its shape. That means if we are filling that water into the glass, then it is taking shape of glass. So like that, it not having shape, but it take a shape of its container. As like a solid, that its particles are not tightly arranged with each other. They are loosely arranged with each other. So because of that, they can flow. Let's say that I have shape but I can't flow. So like that, what says liquid? Liquid says that I have no shape but I can flow. So like that, what are the girls are saying? Look in the video. They are saying to you that properties of the solid liquid. solid and liquid. For example, water, oil, shampoo, honey, milk, that all are the liquid things. So like that, the next state of the matter is gas. So what are the characteristics of the gas? So gas not having a specific shape. Along with that, it not having any volume, but it can be compressed. It is easily get compressed, and its particles are loosely arranged with each other as compared to the solid and liquid. What are these examples? That like our surrounding air, in that which gases are included. That all, that means oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. That like all gases are the example of gas. So like that all, we all are discussed about the states of matters. That means the properties of the matters. About its next part related to the solubility in the water and the flotation of the any material. That all we are going to discuss into the next video. Up to that, stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you very much.